Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, get tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. The car's done less than 3,500 miles. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.